Hello, and welcome to our reading practice. Today we're going to be reading a story called The Frog in the Swamp.
Welcome back, students. Now let's continue with our lesson. Remember how we practice? Listen first, then read with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. In the forest, there was a swamp, but he did not know about it, and he did not care. Now read with me. There was a swamp. The word swamp means dal-dal. Okay, what happens next? As soon as he jumped on the wet and soft land, he got stuck in it. Now read with me. He got stuck in it.
The word stuck means pasjana.
He tried very hard to get out, but he was not able to get free. All right, read with me. Not able to get free.
He began to sink into it. He began to sink.
And sink means tasnar. Croak, croak. He cried out for help, but there was nobody that could help him. Let's read this part. Read with me. Cried out for help. The word help means madat. He started crying helplessly. Okay, read with me now. Crying helplessly. And helplessly means bibisese. He prayed to Almighty Allah for help. Now let's read together. Prayed to Almighty Allah. Now, let's see what happens with the other frogs. The other frogs were still swimming in the pond. Read with me. Swimming in the pond. One of them said to the other, "We should go after our friend and see what he is doing." Okay, read with me. Go after our friend. As soon as they came out of the water, they heard the croak of their friend. Your turn. Read with me. They heard the croak. They ran to help him. Let's read it together. Ran to help him. They got worried when they found their friend in trouble. All right, last one for today. Read with me. Friend in trouble. Very good, students. You did some wonderful reading today. Well done. That is all for now. We will continue the story in the next video. Thank you for practicing so well with me. Goodbye.